I come over here, I put my drone in the air. It's about 16 degrees. I'm missing a cow and a baby calf, or potentially a baby calf on this farm. I'm gonna go ahead and start recording and see where I've been driving in and out of here feeding. There goes a baby running. And there is a bale of hay that I just put out. So this place has got a lot of timber on it. Rather than getting out walking around in the brush, I thought I would use my thermal drone, see if I can find a cow and a baby laying in. Oh, right there looks like a cow licking off, maybe potentially on a newborn. Now I'm in thermal mode, about 200 feet in the air, 180 feet in the air. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Look there, calf is moving. Looks like the mama's licking it off. Great news. I'm going to go ahead and flip on over to regular. This will just be like your regular camera and record and see what I've got from that angle. That's what it would look like if it was just in regular daylight mode. So these cedars back in the trees, we don't always like them, but they do provide some shelter and a little bit of extra warmth for some of the cows and the babies at times. Down to about 120 feet now. I can tell you this drone beats the heck out of walking around in the timber looking for a cow and a baby. I'm gonna maneuver around just a little bit. She's licking him off up in the front there. Now I'm assuming this baby was just born, and I can't read her ear tag from here. Zoom in. Since it is so bitter cold, I'm going to go ahead, fly back to me, and then I'm going to drive around and walk in from the closest area. I'd like to make sure that calf gets cleaned off good. If they can get dry and get some mama's milk in them, they'll be fine even in this cold weather. But as you can see, we've got snow. Still got snow everywhere. I'll come in there from that angle. Won't have to walk too terribly far and go check that thing out. About 600 foot from me is where the cow and calf are from where I stand, but I think I can drive in there and get within 100 foot or so. All right, I'm walking in here. Yeah, I can see her. And great news, the calf is now standing up. So that calf could possibly be nursing. It's at least trying to. Now, I could walk on in there and mess things up, but I can see that it's got its head up towards her bag, trying to get latched on. Now, I'd rather not scare that cow away from there. I'll probably just go sit in the pickup for about 30 minutes and give it a chance to nurse, and then I'll go in there and make sure that it's dried off good. I haven't been able to go into it and help clean it off or dry it off yet, but I'm about 25 foot from the cow right now, and that baby's still nursing, and I'm just hanging out. So he nursed, or she, whatever it is, I haven't been close enough to tell. Eventually laid down. I'm just about 15 foot from him right now. And I tried to walk up there and was going to help clean him off or her off just a little bit better. And Mama did not want me getting any closer. I'd like to help dry it up just a little bit, but she's doing a good job of mothering. He's got a full belly of milk. The thermal drone helped find him without doing a lot of walking around, wobbly legs going back to lay down there. And Mama doesn't want me getting closer for right now. So thermal drone worked just as well on this calf as it has many others, helping me find them without walking around, just doing a blind search. And I think Mama's going to take care of him just fine. I thank y'all for watching. I'm ready for warmer weather. Hey, nope. I'm here to help. Love to dry him off. You get away from me, Mama. I'm here to help. Hey.